Deep inside a dense tropical jungle, where sunlight barely touches the ground, a hidden world exists. Tall trees, thick green canopy, and morning mist. Everything feels silent and untouched. Then one day, humans arrived in this untouched forest, not to destroy it, but to create something extraordinary. A dream was born, a modern glass house in the heart of the jungle. A perfect location was chosen deep inside the forest, where nature was strongest. The land was carefully prepared, without harming the surrounding trees. Then the foundation began, a strong concrete base built to survive in the wild environment. Slowly, steel structures rose into the sky, forming the frame of a futuristic house. After that, huge glass panels were installed, turning the structure into a transparent masterpiece. The jungle started reflecting on every wall, like nature had become part of the home itself. A glass roof completed the design, allowing sunlight, stars, and rain to become part of daily life. Inside, the house was designed with modern luxury, wooden textures, soft lighting, and green plants blending perfectly with the forest outside. A small waterfall was placed nearby, adding natural sound and peace to the environment. Birds started flying freely around the house, and the jungle life continued without disturbance. As time passed, the structure slowly transformed into a glowing glass mansion. At sunset, the entire house turned golden, reflecting the sky like a mirror, and when night arrived, it lit up softly, shining like a dream hidden inside the jungle. Finally, the drone slowly rises high above the trees, revealing the entire endless green jungle, and in the center, a glowing glass house, standing like a crystal in nature. The camera pulls further away, higher and higher, until the house becomes a small shining light inside the massive jungle. A perfect harmony between nature and human creation,